chemical fertilizer factory, expo building, animal vaccination factory, lubricant factory, the inauguration of tissue plant lab, and the signing of solar generator aid MOU, the implementation agreement of desalination plant. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has made positive progress in various fields, and Gwadar in particular has been changing with each passing day. On this special occasion, on behalf of the Chinese Embassy, I would like to extend our appreciation for the great efforts made by Prime Minister and the Cabinet, including Ministry of Planning, Foreign Affairs, Information, Maritime Affairs, and CPEC Authority, and other ministries. Gwadar Port is the pilot project of the CPEC. Since 2013, both China and Pakistan have worked hand in hand on port operation, free zone development, and transportation infrastructure, and completed a series of social and livelihood projects. The achievements made by today can be recognized as the speed of Gwadar. Over the past 8 years, both China and Pakistan have jointly formulated the Gwadar Master Plan, implemented accordingly with great determination. Projects initiated in blueprint now have come into reality one after another. Port operation is reviving with newly added equipment. The port's cargo throughput of last fiscal year is almost the sum of past 3 years. 8 projects in infrastructure like Gwadar East Bay Expressway, Gwadar New International Airport have been launched, which laid a solid base to turn Gwadar Port into a regional trade and business hub.